Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best freezer containers. So let's get started. Number 7. Pyrex Simply Store Meal Prep Glass. Pyrex is a brand we love and trust when it comes to freezing and baking, although it's important that you let the containers sit out at room temperature for a little in order to avoid thermal shock. And we're not the only one who loves these specific containers. They're a best-selling option on Amazon and have a 4.7-star rating, which is incredibly hard to get. While the lids don't click on the same way that the Snapware ones do, these have proven to be mostly leak-proof for kitchen editors. We don't recommend throwing a soup-filled container into your bag, but we do recommend freezing and reheating soup in these at home. They're also not bulky, which means they store nicely, and the containers stack neatly in the freezer when they're in use. Number 6. Snapware Total Solution Glass. If you're just starting to stock your kitchen, or you're fed up with your current stash of food storage containers and want a do-over, go for this mega set. It comes with 13 containers in the various round and rectangular sizes and matching lids. We like that it's got a mix of glass and plastic containers, but what really stands out with this set is the lids. They all have 4 latches that really do snap when they're closed into place. The snaps are oh so satisfying, and a silicone gasket that makes for an airtight seal. There's even a spot on the lids to mark what's inside, and when you froze it. The containers are all dishwasher dash, freezer dash, and microwave safe, and they nest neatly when not in use. Number 5. DuraHome Food Storage Container. This style of container is also known as deli containers, and you'd be hard-pressed to find a professional kitchen that doesn't have some in heavy rotation. Chefs and home cooks alike love these containers because they're ridiculously affordable, incredibly durable, and come in various key sizes. Plus, they can go in the fridge, freezer, and dishwasher. This set, with more than 1,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, comes with 44 containers and lids, so you'll be fully stocked. You can also use them to give out homemade goodies/dishes to friends and neighbors without missing them or having to worry about getting them back. It is important to note that not all deli containers are created equally. We've seen some that are too thin, literally shatter when they've fallen from the freezer. Number 4. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage. Available in a variety of useful sizes, these versatile all-purpose freezer containers are what every household needs. They're made from durable, crystal clear, BPA-free plastic with secure latches that provide an airtight seal, something Carrie Truman, author of Seriously Good Freezer Meals and owner of the blog HappyMoneySaver.com, notes is a must for keeping food fresh in the freezer, refrigerator, or on the go. Even soups and other liquid-based dishes won't spill or leak when stored in these solid containers. This goes for reheating too. The latches release open vents that allow for splatter-free microwaving. As for the plastic, it's as transparent as glass, so there's never any mystery about what's hiding in your freezer. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 4-Cup. Keeping a stash of homemade soup in your freezer is easier when you have the right container, and there's a good reason to do so. Unlike some foods, soup's flavor actually improves in the freezer. These containers by OXO are an excellent option for all your soup and stew freezing needs. The shatter-resistant borosilicate glass guards against thermal shocks, so you can move a quart of chili directly from the freezer to the oven with no worries of breakage. What you need most in a container for storing soup is a completely leak-proof lid, and this one features for locking tabs that ensure the lid is on tight every time. Beyond that, glass containers like these appeal to those who want to move away from plastics for health or environmental reasons. Number 2. Super Cubes 1/2 Cup Freezing Tray. This clever container is the perfect way to freeze sauces in practical portions, making small servings of pesto, marinara, and gravy available for speedy heating. That means your sauces won't suffer from being repeatedly thawed and refrozen in larger containers, a process that can ruin them. A tight-fitting, transparent lid ensures that your sauces stay fresh when stored, and being able to see through the lid helps you identify the contents without needing to label anything. Thanks to the BPA-free silicone material, which also happens to be oven-safe, excluding the lid, each portion of frozen sauce pops out neatly and easily. The long, slender shape allows it to defrost quickly too. If you make a lot of different sauces that you want to freeze, you might want more than one of these. They're stackable for easy storage. Number 1. Rezip Lay Flat Gallon Leak-Proof. The eco-conscious among us would rather not use typical disposable freezer bags. These reusable alternatives are Truman's top choice. If you don't have a lot of freezer space, bags can save a lot of room. I use these a ton, she says. Durable and lead-free, these gallon-sized bags can store almost anything you want to put in your freezer. For maximum space saving, you'll want to make sure you freeze them flat. Rezip estimates that just one of these can replace 300 disposable bags. They're made of lightweight PVA material and are just as flexible as the alternative. The closure has a double locking mechanism, providing an airtight seal and assurance against leakage.